You can buy these stocks and hold them, forming a very strong base. These are my 5 stocks. Market is falling down, but they are refusing to fall down. You will be able to make good money out of it. Hi investors and traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you liked my yesterday's research. I have given you two sectors which may give breakout. One was pharma, the other was IT, and both of them have given a beautiful breakout. And I also talked about FMCG sector. And I have given you very clearly Asian Paints. I have given you Hind Unilever. I have given you Lal Pathlab. Emphasis is also what I have given in the video yesterday, and see the breakout in each of them that has come. Now what I have filtered out 3 stocks, and these 3 stocks are not for today. It's just going to be like we are tomorrow having the expiry. So when I'm going to give it to you, I'm going to give it to you for the next 3 months. You can have a future lot in case you want to buy, but by doing a proper hedging. And the 3 stocks that I have on my radar, they are looking very good. The market has fallen down. मार्केट गिरे हैं काफी कुछ, बट ये स्टॉक अपने आप को होल्ड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और ऐसा लगता है कि एक इसमें बाउंस आने की फुल पॉसिबिलिटी है. तो सबसे पहले एशियन पेंट्स ने आज एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बैरियर ब्रेक किया है और इसकी जो क्लोजिंग हुई है वो ऑलमोस्ट इसके पिछले हाई के बराबर हुई है. दैट मीन्स 3585 के आसपास हुई है और अगर एशियन पेंट्स 3585 को सस्टेन करता है फॉर कपल ऑफ डेज, I'm expecting at least a target of 4,000 in upcoming days. That means I'm expecting in the next 3 months, the stock may touch 4,000. And when I'm saying this, I'm not asking you to buy options. Please be clear about it. When I'm talking about investing, you can take a future lot. You can hedge it so that your premium required should become lesser. So Asian Paints looking very good at this point of time, again for a fresh breakout. The second stock that I have on my radar is Hind Unilever. Hind Unilever is again a FMCG stock, and the way the stock is building up, looks to be heading for a breakout, but only condition is that it should stay above 2727 or 2730 for one day. In case it does so, it will be a beautiful breakout, and a target of 2860 is easily in sight. And if 2860 is crossed, then a target of 3000 can also be easily seen in this particular stock. So this is Hind Unilever. Next stock that is on my radar is Sun Pharma. So 2 FMCG stocks, 1 pharma stock as of now, and I have one more stock after that. This is how the build-up is happening in Sun Pharma. There has been a beautiful double bottom breakout, then consolidation, and again today was a beautiful breakout, but market didn't really support it. In case this stays above 930, a target of 950, and above 950 a target of 960, and above 960 a target of 1000 can easily be expected in Sun Pharma. So these are my 3 stocks. So Asian Paints, Hind Unilever, then I talked about Sun Pharma, and the third stock that looks good to me is United Breweries. United Breweries. So have a look at this stock. A liquor stock, looks to be consolidating, and there has been good support. It has taken at 1614. Crossing 1705 is really important for a target of 1740. First target is 1738, 1735. Next target is 783, like the past resistances. And in case those past resistances are broken, you can easily look for a target about 1880 target. You can definitely see. So the 4 stocks, like when I'm saying again, I'm repeating that you need to at least hold them for 3 months. And the beauty of these stocks are these are all FNO stocks. That means you can buy these stocks and hold them. And even one more stock that I can give you, just keep them on radar. The stock is IRCTC. The stock is IRCTC. The stock has been forming a very strong base. The stock has created a very strong base. If you see here, there has been continuous buying at this level on this particular day. See here on 25th August, and even in the past, right, there has been huge buying, and again stock is standing over here. Crossing 683 can lead it to for a target of about 700 and 720 and 750 target can also be expected. At least 740 target can surely be expected. So these are my 5 stocks. So let me just repeat: Asian Paints, Hindu Unilever, Sun Pharma, United Breweries, and IRCTC. All 3 of them consolidating beautifully. Market is falling down, but they are refusing to fall down. लुक एट द रीजन, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे आपको रीजन खुद दिखने में आ जाएगा. आज मार्केट जबरदस्त तरीके से गिरी है, बट स्टॉक नहीं गिरे. ये स्टॉक IRCTC नहीं गिरा है. सिमिलरली हिंदू यूनिलीवर, एशियन पेंट्स में गिरावट नहीं आई है. आप अगर देखेंगे हिंदू यूनिलीवर में गिरावट नहीं आई है, रादर ये अपने आप को कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. ठीक है, एशियन पेंट्स में बहुत जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट आया है. एशियन पेंट्स में आप देखिए कितना जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट आया है. सिमिलरली सन फार्मा में बहुत अच्छा सा ब्रेकआउट आया है. सन फार्मा में भी एक बहुत जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट आया है. और इसी तरह यूनाइटेड ब्रूअरीज, बिकॉज लिकर स्टॉक है और फेस्टिविटीज आर सेटिंग इन, looks to be heading up. I think their sales and all going to improve. 1710 के ऊपर हमारी buying opportunity आएगी for a target of 17, like small target 1730 and 17 after 1730 a target of 1775 is definitely expected. So these are my 5 stocks that you can keep on your radar, and I'm 100% sure you will be able to make good money out of it. Stay tuned for more updates. Be present on my Telegram channel and join me for live trading every single day. All the best. Take care. See you in the next video.